Hey, it's Gigi the Gadget Goddess, and as I like to say, another day, another unboxing. This is my very first purchase off of OfferUp. And I was unaware you could do OfferUp to where they ship it to you. So this is what I did. I looked all over eBay, and the best price I could find was on OfferUp. I thought it was too good to be true. So let's get in this box and figure out if it's too good to be true. Supposed to be open box, so it's not going to have plastic on it or whatever. The experience on this Oppo Watch is supposed to be so much different. I'm more of a Tizen fan. Samsung watches usually draw my attention, but I just wanted to try this watch. And I know everybody's big thing was, oh, it looks like an Apple Watch. But there are some differences. So let's get into it. First of all, the presentation of the box, other than the beating it took on the way here, is awesome. Can you see that? Like it reflects and everything. That is beautiful. This is the 46 millimeter watch. I always go for the biggest. My Apple Watch is the 44. But this is a series 4. I don't have a series 5, just the 4. Here you go for comparison. And yes, I've been debating myself on whether I'm going to wear both of them at the same time because I do have 2 lines of service. Boy, my Apple Watch is dirty. This is, it's much bigger. I'll tell you that. I mean, this is supposed to be just an unboxing, right? Let me get back to unboxing. There's your watch. Books, etc. Stuff that people never read. And then your charging cord and dock. Okay. I'm going to put this back up. Let's see how much juice this has first. It is loading. Okay, we're going to select our language, which will be English. Bluetooth stuff. I'm going to have to download the health app for Oppo. Let's do that. I'm going to open this in the browser. I'm going to use Chrome. And we're downloading the file. So now we're going to install this app, the health app. It's like the first English I've seen on this bad boy. Although we did tell the watch we wanted to do this in English. Everything's so dark. We're just going to accept some things. We're starting us a new account. So now they want my phone number. Do I want to give these people my phone number?
Later.
I am catching up on fixing the failed video from my Oppo Watch series. Guess what this is? It's an Oppo Watch. So let's go ahead and unbox this one. I'm going to remove some of these watch bands, which I knew would be included per the seller. I got this watch from Greece. I do know I got this far the last time, so I'm not getting too excited yet. And it's at 63%, which is completely fine. Like, this watch has been traveling for over a week, so I didn't expect it to have a full charge. That being said, I am going to try to get this thing connected. Hopefully, we have better luck this time. All right, let's say a small prayer and let's get this going. We have confirmed health access. Let's see. Still not going to get too excited. Now we're going to go through and add a device. This is the furthest I got last time. Turn my location on. Location is on. That's asking me to scan my QR code again. Let's see. Try to put this where y'all can see it. Okay. I am pairing this to my LG V60. because, well, the other phone is the AT&T phone, and it doesn't have my contacts or anything in it. This is my phone, so I'm not going to pair it to a review phone. So my watch is paired. Look at there. I'm excited, y'all. I am excited. Let's go. Calendar. Yes, you can have access to all of it. You can have it all. I want notifications from everything. Yes, I'm going to wear both of these watches, y'all. So I'm going to put it on my right. Setting up, y'all. So I think it's going to actually work this time. The watch is at 70%. We're doing all this while the watch is charging. I'm excited. Are y'all excited? Man, it's been a while since an Android watch has had me excited. Apple Watch has had me sucked in. It's just the functionality. All right, let's get started. Everything is in Chinese. Watch faces. This is a unboxing and setup process. Do not ask me how much I like this watch tomorrow. That's the most annoying thing to me in the world, is when people say, hey, how you like that watch? Like, hey, you do know I haven't had it but like a day. I'm going to put the balloons on. Balloons! Yes, I'm putting balloons on my watch. Well, just like I think Samsung's watch does now, you can take a picture of what you have on and it will match your outfit. So you can use photos, you can use faces, whatever. So it's even got me up there as Gadget Goddess. Look at here. Okay, I just want to let you know that within the last couple minutes, this thing is already at 81%. Isn't that beautiful? Man, that's a sexy watch. Yeah, one of the perks to buying overseas is, hey, that's my first time doing it, is they got more accessories than we do. Seller already had watch band, which I was trying to locate when I bought the other one. That's addictive there. Can you imagine being somewhere sitting and needing something to occupy your time? There's that Milanese fan popping off, you know, that kind of action. I'd rather do it the other way though. Pardon me, I'm weird. I like this already, y'all. See how much bigger that is than my Apple Watch? Man, much easier to put it over here. All right. Tighten it up some. That's rather loose. So that's where we're gonna wear that one. Man, it looks massive. I don't have huge hands or anything. I have long fingers, but yeah, kind of big. So let's look at the watch itself. Okay, I'm not left-handed, so you bear with me, okay? All right. Here's phone calls. Telling you how to block numbers, etc. Okay. That's bad activity. I've done nothing today because I just got the watch. Is that better view for y'all? It's better for me. I'll tell you that. All right, let's go into this one. Okay. I need to breathe. Everybody has a breathing app. Okay, y'all just like the Apple Watch. For real, for real. Okay, morning energizer. Get moving. Full body workout. There's actually workouts. Full-blown workouts on this watch. Amazing. Okay. All right, let's go. Wow, am I excited to see y'all or what? This is about sleep tracking. Okay, got it. I don't sleep track, y'all. That's just one thing. I refuse to wear jewelry in bed. Before using this function, set a password for enhanced security. Okay, whatever that function is. There's another workout. Allow workouts to access the network during use. No, because we don't have internet on the watch. Let's see what this is. That's your wallet. We don't have a wallet. Oh, we got some more stuff here. Look at here. That's a timer. This will probably be an alarm. No alarms, you're right. Recording lapse. Wow. Okay. World clock. Probably to-do list. Oh, it's a calendar. Okay. Got me there. Look like a to-do list. That's all Chinese. I would imagine that that's like a personal assistant. Just my guess. Tap to record. This is a recorder. Okay. What is this? Music controller. Okay. I see y'all. Weather. We're gonna allow it. See if it can pick up the weather from my phone. This is just a test. I haven't set anything up. I'm just playing around with this bad boy. Location not found. I had to play around with that. Remember, this is me just going through things without setting anything up. No messages in my messages. Network and connection. Yes, I need to connect my Wi-Fi. Brightness. Raise to wake. Tap to wake. Let's turn that on. Auto brightness. Yeah, I hate auto brightness. Brightness is at 3. Auto screen after 10 seconds. I thought 20 seconds is better. There you go. This is very responsive. There's a silent mode. Ringers and alerts. Alarm volume. Ring while on risk. While you are wearing your watch, alarms and timers will ring when they go off. Yeah, of course. That's what we want. Media volume. Vibration intensity. Ooh. Light is fine with me. Battery. Yeah, I need to automatically turn off eSIM and Wi-Fi, as well as pause playback to extend battery life when your watch is idle for more than 5 minutes or distracting your sleep. No. Power management. Tap to wake. Yeah, nah. Seems like I want to see how it works. Do not disturb. Your watch will be silent and vibration will raise to wake. It's turned off. Brino, no. I told you, I think that's the personal assistant. Multifunction button, that's the lower button. Okay. Not set. So let's see what we want to set that to. Settings. Password. We need to set a password. That's cool. Okay, y'all. Can't see my password. So password is set. Let's see if we got any updates. Auto updates will be on. You know, I'm good for getting updates on things when I get them. So let's see. So no updates. We don't want a 24-hour clock. I got it on the right wrist. That's subject to change if I get annoyed by it. Input method. We want English. Offline voice is closed. Location services. Storage. 8 gigs. 4 are available. So this watch is a hog. Workout and health apps. About watch. Yeah, this is Color OS. I don't have the Wear OS version, y'all. I'm having fun walking through this system here. So there's no notifications, right? So I was like, oh, what's this? Water mode? And this is called Aqua mode. The watch screen will be locked to prevent accidental touches when there's water on it. Press and hold either button to exit the mode. You got airplane mode, vibrate. Vibration is off. Sleep mode. Wow, that's pretty neat. I just pinged my phone. Silent mode on and off. High brightness, auto brightness, low brightness, moderate brightness. Okay, this is gonna be fun to play with. Calorie burn. Okay, alternate watch faces. I'll send myself a text message right quick just to test things out. See, nice little gentle sound, and the LG is going off there. It didn't. Notifications, those are from me. So how about if I call me? I'm gonna call me. I turned the vibrate on, but I think it's strictly gonna vibrate. We'll see. Okay, it is vibrating and ringing, so that's fine. That's what I wanted. Awesome. I have to say the original owner of this watch took pretty good care of it. The box took a semi-beating on the way here, but I mean, it came from Greece. What do you expect? So I have it still wrapped into plastic, unlike the first one that I got. And it came with 2 extra bands. So I carry 2 phones. I'm gonna wear 2 watches like a nerd. Thanks for dropping by for my unboxing and setup of the Oppo Watch. Me and the 11 guys. Yes, you might not have seen all 11, but I got Reggie and Juice up here hanging out. And then I got my 9 guys down here hanging out. They were very interested in this watch. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. I hope you come by and catch me for the update on this when I have had it for a while and see if I really like it or if it was just something to tickle my fancy for a little while. Hope to catch you on the next video or the next live stream. So speaking of trash, LaShawn, I know you're getting the next Pixel, right? It's coming out like next month, right? Ain't they coming out next month?
Gigi out here, fatality.
Check y'all out later. Holla!